Greetings everyone, my name is Caesarpus and today I'm going to teach you how to make a light bulb in the Source Filmmaker. It is a pretty neat thing. I've discovered it myself a few days ago. Not sure if anyone knows about it. It's quite tricky. So I'm ought to do the tutorial which you are watching right now. And the light bulb I want to show you is right here. This is it. So here I've got a little set to show you how does this work. So when I drag this, see, it creates the light source in every direction. It's like an Omni light, and that's what I wanted to achieve. Well, there's a little clipping, but I don't think you want to use it like this. Like move it around the scene or whatever. It's gonna be a static light. So basically you can see this is the front and the back. If I turn off either one of them, well, the half-life is going to disappear. This is because it's a one light that radiates at a radius of 180 degrees, and the same light faced backwards. It's lined up so perfectly that you cannot even see. And in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do one. So let's start from scratch. Let's go to the dark place and create a new light. Let's call it light bulb, or just part 1 as one of the parts. Let's group it, rename it to light bulb tutorial. And where's the light? There's the light. Alright. First thing you want to do is, I don't know, place it somewhere. When you place it down, I recommend to go to the graph editor, go to the transform of this light, place a bookmark, select it, and make the rotation of each. Fucking hell. Alright guys, welcome back. I hope it won't crash anymore. So okay, I guess I have to create another light once again. Now let's go to the graph editor with this light, select Omni transform as before, place the bookmark, go to one of the rotations, or actually to all of the rotations, and, well, make them either minus 90 degrees or 0 degrees. And it's pretty much aligned with the world at the 0 axis and on the X and Y position, I mean rotation. Yes, professional commentary. So, we have our first light. Now we can go back to the motion editor and get to work. The actual Omni light, part 1. So, for that I'm going to use the reference of the previous light. These are the key sliders that you want to use. So, first off, you want to go to the horizontal FOV. You're going to want to right click on this, then click Remap Slider Range, and change the max to from 120 to 1200, and do the same for the vertical FOV. Once you're done with that, you will have to paste the value that I will provide in the description. This is the value 0.142858. I don't know, if you're not watching this and prefer just to listen, you can write it down as I'm speaking. So if you double left click on the slider, you can actually see the value that you can set it up on your own. So I'm just gonna paste that in here, and magically I've got this. I mean, you don't have to do that for the vertical FOV if you have this, but I recommend do it anyway, just to be safe. Now, since you've got this, you're pretty much set up. You just gotta copy and paste the light. Once again, rename it part... Actually, it's part 2. Great, thanks Source Filmmaker. Now, to make things easier, you're going to go back to the graph editor, select the transform of the second light, select the keyframe, go and find the rotation. It'll be a rotation Z, I suppose. No, wait, hold on. That's the rotation. Which rotation is that? That'll be rotation Y, I suppose. Yes, it's rotation Y. If this is moving this direction, you can see the numbers changing. I will set it up to minus 180. So I'm just gonna change the value, paste it in, and boom. Here is the perfect Omni light you want. Well, actually, if you zoom in really, really close, you can see a little line. I think that's this bad. Well, what you can do to minimize that, you can, I don't know, go to the second camera. Let me go. See it as close as possible. Oh, no, 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 please. Let me zoom close enough. Alright, this will have to do. Okay, I can now get the secondary viewport, place it here, and get to the work camera. Now, I will grab the transform of this. The second or the first one, doesn't really matter. You just gotta drag the other light to the first one as close as you can, so it won't go on each other. If you cannot do that and it clips just like that, you see the white space here, you go back to the graph editor, find the desired axis, and this is the position Y, I believe. Yeah, it is. If this is moving to the minus direction, I'm gonna just adjust it slightly to the 3006. Oh my god, maybe not. 7206. It's almost perfect. Well, you get the idea. You can pretty much make the light bulb out of this. Now, when you have the groups, you can just select a group and move it in time and space. Well, you will also notice some little issues with this. Like that. To fix that, well, I guess you cannot do anything with that. It's gonna be black at some places. But I guess it's not really an issue, I suppose. It works pretty fine in the most circumstances. So, that was how to create a light bulb. And with this accent, I'm going to end this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it helped you. And see you guys in the next Source Filmmaker video, if I'm going to be making one. So, yeah, see ya!